I just found a hidden YouTube niche that is quietly blowing up. It got over 1 million subscribers and close to 23 million views in just 180 days. This isn't luck. Here's another channel with close to 900,000 subscribers and over 21 million views. And look here, they started just 8 months ago. I'm breaking down the exact niche, the AI tools to replicate this, and how you can copy this strategy before it gets saturated. This niche looks professional, but it is deceptively simple. You might think you need a teaching degree or a studio to do this, but you don't. Just look at these earnings. This isn't a year's worth of revenue. This is just from the last 28 days. Here is the reality check. These aren't high production videos that you can't make. It's just a static image, a sticky AI avatar with a simple podcast setup and captions. That's it. Some channels use one character, others use two to create a dialogue, but the formula is identical. Static image plus captions equals millions of views. But here is the magic trick that makes this work. Listen closely.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
It sounds natural, right? Like you're listening to the radio. It doesn't sound like AI, but it is. Everything you see and hear is AI. The script, the voiceover, the background image, all generated with AI. I spent days digging to find out how they achieved this quality without spending a dime. And I found one specific tool built exactly for this podcast style. It generates the script and the voiceover in any length you want. The best part? You can start for free. And one final secret before I show you how to do this, length matters. Look at this. Average video length, 25 minutes. This one, 13 minutes. In this niche, longer videos don't just work, they dominate. First, we need a clean slate. Go to your YouTube homepage, click your profile, hit Switch Account, hit View All Channels, and select Create a New Channel. Give it a clear, simple name and create the channel. Now, let's handle the branding in Canva. Here, search for YouTube banner. Use this pro tip. Pick a template with clear center borders. This guarantees your text won't get cut off on mobile phones, which is where most of your views will come from. I'm adding some big, bold text and dropping in my AI avatar. And done. For the logo, I'll just reuse that same avatar for consistency. Upload those. And for the description, keep it short, but make sure it includes your main keywords. Now, the most important part, optimization. We need to tell the YouTube algorithm exactly who this content is for. Go to YouTube Studio, hit on Settings, then Channel. You need specific searchable keywords here. Don't guess. Go to a free tool called Rapid Tags. Type in one popular keyword, something like learn English, and hit enter. This pulls the exact trending tags people are searching for right now. Copy them and paste them directly into your keyword section. Finally, go to advanced settings and select not made for kids. Then under feature eligibility, verify your phone number. You must do this to unlock custom thumbnails and also tell YouTube you're not a robot. Now hit save and your foundation is built. I used to make a massive mistake that killed my channel's growth for months. I would spend 3 weeks writing, filming, and editing what I thought was the perfect video. I would upload it, sit back waiting for the views to explode, and get 50 views. It was heartbreaking. Then, out of frustration, I threw together a simple video in about an hour based on a topic I saw trending. I woke up the next day and it had 10,000 views. That is when I realized the golden rule of YouTube. You cannot edit your way out of a bad video idea. The idea is 80% of the success. If the topic is bad, the best editing in the world won't save it. But if the topic is viral, even a simple video will fly. So, how do you guarantee your idea is a winner before you even start? You don't guess. You steal. Well, not the content, but the demand. Here is the exact strategy. Go to the channels we just found. Click on their Videos tab, then sort by popular. We are looking for outliers. If a channel averages 5,000 views per video, but one specific video has 500,000 views, that is a goldmine. That proves the topic went viral, not just the creator. Like this example, you can see their videos were averaging 20,000 views, and suddenly these videos blew to 300,000 views in just 1 month. Find 3 of these high-performing topics, and you'll have first 3 viral topics which are likely to perform. Now for the heavy lifting, the script and voiceover. Usually this requires 2 different subscriptions and hours of copy pasting, but I found a loophole tool called Wondercraft AI. It's built for podcasts, which means it handles the dialogue, the pacing, and the voices all in one shot. And yes, you can start for free. The link will be in the description. Once you sign up, head to the studio. You can click here to write your own script here, but we don't want to waste time typing a script from scratch. Here's the strategy. We are going to use a master prompt I wrote for you. You'll find it in the description. Just grab it and go back to Watercraft. We are going to use the prompt feature, so let's paste it here. Now enter your channel name, paste your video title here, and set your duration. I'm setting mine to 2 minutes, but make sure you create longer videos. All right, hit generate and watch this. It builds the entire conversation and assigns different voices to the host and the guest. Now here's the trick for the free plan. It won't let you generate the entire audio at once. Most people get stuck here and pay. We won't. Simply generate the segments one by hitting the play button and toggle on this. It takes about 10 seconds per block, meaning it adds maybe 1 minute to your workflow, but saves you $50 a month if you're broke. Listen to this quality.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Easy Way English. I'm John.
And I'm Olivia. Hello.
Today we have a very important topic for beginners.
Yes, we will learn how to introduce yourself in English.
That breath, the pause, that is what keeps retention high. Once you have all your audio generated, hit download, and we are ready to build the visuals. Now for the visuals, we are not using stock footage, we are using Google AI Studio. I've put a specific prompt in the description. Go grab that first. Head over to Google AI Studio and click on Chat with Model. On the right-hand tab, click on Nano Banana, and make sure you have Nano Banana Gemini 2.5 Flash image selected. But if you're already on the Pro plan, you can use that. Paste the prompt you copied and enter your channel name right there. Let's set the aspect ratio to 16:9. But wait, don't hit enter yet. This is where 90% of creators get lazy. If you just copy-paste this and run it, you are going to get the exact same images as everyone else watching this video. And YouTube hates duplicate content of late. So I want you to be a director and read through the prompt. Tweak the style, change the lighting. In fact, make it yours. Once you've made those changes to match your unique brand, then you hit enter. In seconds, you have original assets ready for your video. All right, import your voiceover and the AI image into your editor. Drop the voiceover on the audio track. Throw the image on top and stretch it to match the length. Simple. But here's the signature move you see on every viral channel in this niche. That sound wave effect bouncing to the audio. Let me show you the fastest way to create one. Go to this website and hit New Video. We're going to remove the background later, so we need a plain backdrop to make our lives easier. Grab a green screen background. Something like this works perfectly. Click Media, hit Upload, and bring in that green background. Now go to the Elements tab, and you'll see tons of options. Just pick the style that matches your vibe. Next, upload your voiceover. And you should get something like this. Hit Export, wait a few seconds, and save it to your device. Now import that into your main editor and layer it on top of your image. Before we remove the background, let's crop out that watermark real quick. Now we can remove the background. Adjust the positioning however you want, center it, move it to the side, whatever feels right. Next, add captions and edit it to make it easy to follow. Finally, add a background track from the YouTube audio library and export. Done. You just built a professional-looking video that looks like it cost hundreds of dollars to produce, but it didn't.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Easy Way English. I'm John.
And I'm Olivia. Hello.
Today we have a very important topic for beginners.
Yes, we will learn how to introduce yourself in English.
It's the first step in any conversation.
Exactly.
Now we need a thumbnail that actually gets clicked, and we're not going to spend hours doing that. So just grab the secret prompt I've linked below and head back into Google AI Studio. Paste it in and type the exact text you want on your thumbnail. Usually, a shorter, punchier version of your title works best. Also make sure you set the aspect ratio to 16:9, else you'll get a square image. Important, just like before, don't just hit generate. Scan through that prompt and tweak a few details. Change the colors, the mood, or the setting so you get something unique that stands out in the feed. Next, import it to Canva to make sure you have the right thumbnail size. For the description and SEO strategy, I didn't want to make this video an hour long, so I have a separate detailed tutorial you can watch right after this. It breaks down exactly how to pull searchable keywords, so YouTube knows exactly who to push your content to. If this system helped you see the potential here, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next strategy. I'll see you in the next one.